Hello guys, welcome to Techno Solution. Today's video I'll be doing I'll be doing charging system. Okay, I don't know what is the name of this tab, but today I'll be doing charging pins. I'll be removing this guy, replacing him with the new one. Let me check it. Is it there? Everything is super. Let me start. If you are watching my video, if you find something helpful, please like and subscribe for my channel. What they need is the flashlight. It's time to monitor it and everything back. Yeah. Please like and subscribe for my channel because it's not me who did this mess up. It's somebody I received only to